Good morning. So another day, our adventure in Switzerland. So today, what we're gonna do first at woke up, we are going to have a breakfast. Breakfast.
ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬ੍ਰੇਕਫਾਸਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੌਣ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਤੜਕੇ ਦੇ 6 ਵਜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਚਲੋ ਬ੍ਰੇਕਫਾਸਟ
There is a time.
ਮੇਨ ਬ੍ਰੇਕਫਾਸਟ ਹੀ ਆ
Yes. So चलिए. Let's go.
Okay, so a buffet breakfast is available at the restaurant each morning. Like everywhere as well, you can choose lunch and dinner, but we have chosen just breakfast. And as you can see, there's lots of variety of food, different kind of taste. So yeah, we really enjoyed breakfast time, and for the kids especially, breakfast time is the best time. Okay guys, so after breakfast it's time to go and explore a little bit of this beautiful city. Okay guys, so this is old town of Geneva. So the first thing what we're gonna do today is we are going to have boat trip. Okay guys, let's go to buy ticket quick and let's get in the boat. Yeah guys, now we're gonna have 2.5 hour boat trip. So this boat is such a big, it looks like Titanic. Look how beautiful Titanic. Yeah. So there is restaurant as well because 2.5 hour if you want to drink champagne glasses. Okay, just three of us, me, Maya and Satipal got tickets because Arjun and Karan don't need tickets. So per person we paid nearly 30 Swiss. Okay guys, so let's jump on this beautiful boat tour of Lake Geneva. 2.5 hours. So you can see here a beautiful and famous landmarks like Palais des Nations and Jet d'Eau. I don't know how to pronounce. Wow, just look at the water. Lake Geneva is a large freshwater lake known for its excellent water quality, and it's a major source of drinking water for the surrounding area, including Geneva and neighboring France. So the water is often described as turquoise and crystalline. And Lake Geneva's water quality is due to a combination of factors, including advanced water treatment in Switzerland's a deep lake and specific water quality condition. And the Jet d'Eau, a famous fountain in Geneva, is also known for pumping clear water into the lake, further contributing to its visibility. So the fountain was originally designed to release excess water from a hydraulic factory. Geneva's first to treat micropollutant. The facility filters through 250 liters of water every second. Wow. So those couple of hours went so fast. So on this boat tour, we really enjoyed because we saw Mont Blanc, monuments, famous villas, as well parks and gardens. It's such a beautiful place, as well mountains, so beautiful. And this boat tour, it's like bus. It's like drop you to from one area to another one. The weather in the morning looks just about to rain, but we were happy and lucky, and there was no rain. But on boat, kids felt and we as well felt a bit colder because water and some wind, but otherwise it was really such a nice getaway for a couple of hours to see Geneva's most beautiful places, monuments. And to be honest, here I felt like Titanic. I am in Titanic. Okay, so this is the famous jet d'eau of Geneva, and water goes 140 meters high and 500 liters of water per second at 200 kilometers per hour. Wow, that's the jet d'eau, a true icon of Geneva. The gigantic water fountain has a beautiful story to tell. Okay, so after boat trip, kids just want to get some dessert, and as usually they getting an ice cream. As you can see, there are lots of flavors. They look so yummy. So it's a bit confusing. They don't know which one to choose. Look at Louis Vuitton shop. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. So beautiful. You can see may reflect centuries of history in its buildings. So this is a Geneva old town. It looks like its cobbled streets wind through medieval buildings, charming cafes and boutiques, and this atmosphere could say a bit remind us of my city. And you know, Geneva's old town is the largest in the Europe, explored 2,000 years of the city's history by exploring its narrow streets, Bourg Foursquare, and its shady terraces, art galleries, antique dealers, and museums. Guys, so now we are on our way to the Saint-Pierre Cathedral. Just look at this. It is iconic landmarks within this district and offering insights into the city's rich heritage. Okay, so first of all, going to buy a ticket. And we will be ready to climb the 157 step tower to get some of the best city views. So Saint-Pierre Cathedral is a historic church, and it was originally a Roman Catholic cathedral but became a Calvinist church in 1535, and it is known as the adopted home church of John Calvin, one of the leaders of the Protestant Reformation. It's a beautiful, sacred place, impresses with its grand architecture and serene atmosphere. We are so tired, and I do understand because 157 steps are so much, and climbing the tower rewards all of us with stunning views of the city and the lake you will see, and it's a place that invites reflection while showcasing centuries of rich history. This is what I'm talking about. This is the view from the top of the tower. Is stunning. It's an incredible panorama of the city and the lake, as you can see. So let's go back again, 157 steps, but it's much more easier going back than going up.